Hello everyone, welcome back to another lecture on reasoning ability and problem solving. In today's lecture, we will discuss some previous year questions from alphabet combination. So let us begin. Now these questions came in your SSC MTS examination. The date and the shift of the examination is given over here for your reference. Now before we start with alphabet combination solving the questions, I have told you four concepts that we can use to solve any question regarding alphabets. So let us revise those concepts. The first concept is of forward rank, right? The first concept is of forward rank. So what do you mean by forward rank? Basically, we assign the alphabets with increasing numbers. So A is assigned 1, B is assigned 2, C is assigned 3, so on until Z is assigned 26. So these are your forward ranks. There's a shortcut to remember forward ranks called EJOTI, where E is 5, J is 10, O is 15, T is 20 and Y is 25. Correct? Then there is a concept of backward rank. So similar concept, except that now the numbers are assigned in a decreasing order. So A is assigned 26, B is assigned 25, C is assigned 24 up till Z is assigned 1. The sum of the forward rank and backward rank is always equals to 27, right? Third is the concept of opposite letters. So what do you mean by opposite letters? Opposite letters basically means we arrange the alphabet in certain way that we get 13 pairs of letters. Let me write them over here. Okay. So let's say these are your alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. And now I will write my alphabets like this: N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are your pairs of opposite letters. So A is opposite Z, B is opposite Y, this is Y, C is opposite X, D is opposite W, E is opposite V, F is opposite to U, G is opposite to T, H is opposite to S, I is opposite to R, J is opposite to Q, K is opposite to P, L is opposite to L, O and M is opposite to N. So these are your opposite letters, right? Then fourth was the concept of loop. What do you mean by loop? Basically, if I have to go one position forward from Z, I do not have any alphabet after Z. So I will start back again from A. Similarly, if I have to go 3 letters back from B, now I do not have any alphabet before A, so I will go back to Z. So 3 positions back from B will give me Y, right? -3 and this is +1. So this concept is called looping. Okay. Now, in your question, if you see similar alphabets, there is a concept of rearrangement. That means they have been arranged within the alphabets. Correct? So, let us look at the question number 1. Question number 1. Question number 1 says, select the option that is related to the third letter cluster in the same way as the second letter cluster is related to the first letter cluster. So this is a concept of analogy. How do we solve analogy? There are 2 steps to solve analogy. First step is to find the relationship in pair number 1. This is your pair number 1. Find the relationship or the logic that is being used in the pair number 1. And then we use the same logic to find the missing element in pair number 2. Two-step formula for any analogy questions, right? So let us first decode what logic is being used in pair number 1. Okay, what logic is being used in pair number 1. So now I can see that feminine and this word, they have all the same alphabets, right? Just they are in a different order. So they have all the same alphabets. That means that it is not a concept of forward rank or backward rank, but it could be a concept of rearrangement, right? This could be a concept of rearrangement. So first we have to derive how this is coded or how this is rearranged into this, and then we will follow the same logic for homework. Okay, so let us start with first this one, feminine and this word. So F E M I N I N E, this is written as E N I M N E and E F, right? It is written like this. Now, if I arrange this, if I form this into group of 2, okay, I am forming this into group of 2 and I am numbering them as 1, 2, 3, 4. These are my 4 groups. Now, where can I see F and E together? I can see F and E over here. Then N and E together, I can see over here. N, I together, I can see over here, but this is not the group, right? So N, I have to see together, and this is E, N, I, M, I. Sorry, I missed a letter. M, I, N, E, F. So I have MINEF. So this is like this, okay. So I can see over here, I can see over here, and EF I can see, EN I can see over here. So this is 4, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 1. So now it has only 4 and 1 has changed position. Like this has come over here and this has come over here. But now within the rearrangement also I can see this has reverse order. So FE has become EF. Similarly, NE has become EN. Similarly, for this also, MI has become IM and NI has become IN. Correct? This is how it has changed. So first, the order has changed. The order, basically we have formed group of 2. So order has changed from 1, 2, 3, 4. It has changed to 4, 2, 3, 1. Right? This is the order. Second, alphabets have been reversed. Alphabets have been reversed, right? This is the logic. Now let us do the same logic for homework. So HOMEWORK. So first step would be to divide them into pairs. So pair number 1, pair number 2, pair number 3, and pair number 4. So now the arrangement would be 4, 2, 3, 1, right? And within that also alphabets will reverse. Alphabets will be in reverse order. So RK will become KR, right? Then ME will become EM. WO will become OW, and HO will become OH, right? So this would be the final arrangement. KREMOWOH. This would be the final rearrangement. So this is given in which option? This is given in option number 2. So option number 2 would be the correct answer to this question. Okay. Coming to question number 2. Question number 2 says, select the combination of letters that when sequentially placed in the blanks of the given series will complete the series. So we have already done numerous questions on this series. I have told you whenever you see a series like this, the advisable things would be to break it into parts. Now if I look over here, I can see A being common over here, right? And before A we have one more blank, so maybe I can break it from here. Similarly, I can see B being common in the 4th position over here, right? So after B, I can have a blank over here, right? After B, maybe I can have a break over here. After B, I can have a break over here because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this I can maybe have a break. Okay, now let us see if I can form a logic. Now let us see if I can form a logic or a repeating pattern. So if I put C is in 3rd position. So if C is in 3rd position, I can put C over here. Now I am giving them ranks, okay? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the end, in the 3rd position, we have C here also, here also, here also. Then look at these last two. 4 and 5 we have B. So in 4th position I can put B, and in over here in 5th position I can put B. Correct. So now in 4 and 5, just look at 4 and 5, I am having B and B. Correct. Repeating. Similarly over here in the first 2 position we have C and A. Correct. So over here we have A, I can put C, and over here we have C, I can put A. Right, I can finish it like this. So now look at the arrangement. We have an arrangement of C, A, C, B, B. This is being repeated, right? These 5 letters are being repeated. So what letters did I fill in the sequence? I filled C, B, C, B, A. These were the letters that I have filled in the sequence. So this is given in option number 4. So option number 4 would be the correct answer to this question. Okay. Question number 3. Question number 3, again a question on analogy. This is the pair 1 and this is pair 2. So we have to find the relationship between these alphabets, right? These alphabets. Now, if I first thing would be to write them one below the other. So LATITUDE. This is coded as OZGRGFWV. Now, if you look at these alphabets and if you can notice, these are a combination of opposite letters. Let me write the opposite list of opposite letters for you. So, we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Then N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are your opposite letters, correct? These are your opposite letters. Now over here, L is opposite to O, correct? L is opposite to O. A is opposite to Z, right? T is opposite to G. T is opposite to G. I is opposite to R, correct? Again, T is opposite to G. U is opposite to F. D is opposite to W. And E is opposite to V. So these are what? These are pair of opposite letters. Pair of opposite letters, correct? Pair of opposite letters. So now let us check for dust mite. D-U-S-T-M-I-T-E. I will write its opposite letter. So D's opposite letter is W. U's opposite letter is what? F. Then S opposite letter is H. T's opposite letter is G. M's opposite letter is N. I opposite letter is R. T opposite letter again G. And E opposite letter is V. Correct? So this is what I would get. These are opposite letters. So answer will be W, F, H, G, N, R, G, V. This is given in which option? This is given in option number 3. So option number 3 would be the correct answer. Okay? Option number 3 would be the answer. Coming to question number 4. Question number 4, abusive is coded like this. We have to find the missing element in pair 2. Okay. So first thing we will look at pair number 1. We will look at pair number 1. So A-B-U-S-I-V-E. This is coded as C-A-W-R-K-U-G. So first step would be I would assign them forward ranks. If I assign them forward ranks, A is 1, B is 2, U is 21, this is 19, this is 9, this is 22 and this is 5. Okay, what is the shortcut to remember forward ranks? A dot T. E is 5, J is 10, O is 15, T is 20 and Y is 25. Right? Now over here, C is 3, this is 1. W is how much? 23, this is 18, this is 11, this is 21 and this is 7. Correct? Now let us look over here. 1 to 3 is plus 2. 2 to 1 is minus 1. 21 to 23 is plus 2. 19 to 18 is minus 1. 9 to 11 is plus 2. 22 to 21 is minus 1. And 5 to 7 is plus 2. So we are alternating between plus 2 and minus 1. Correct? We are alternating between plus 2 and minus 1. So we will do the same thing for violet. V-I-O-L-E-N-T. Violent. Right? So let me give them forward ranks. V is how much? V is 22. This is 9. This is 15. This is 12. This is 5. This is 14 and this is 20. So first thing would be plus 2. So 24. Then minus 1 would give me 8. Plus 2, 17. Minus 1, 11. Plus 2, 7. minus 1, 13, and plus 2 will give me 22. Correct? Now let us give them alphabets. So at 24th position, which alphabet do we have? We have X. 8th position we have H. 17th position we have Q. 11th position we have K. Right? Then 7th position we have G. 13th position we have M. And 22nd position we have V. So the missing word will be X, H, Q, K, G, M, V. Right? This would be the missing word. This would be the answer. And this is given in which option? This is given in option number 2. So option number 2 would be the correct answer to this question. Okay. Question number 5. Again a sequential series question. Okay. Now we have to find a pattern. I can see DD being repetitive. Okay. I can see DD being repetitive. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have a blank here, so maybe I can put 1 over here. Then this will also be in 4th, 5th position. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, this is repeating 1, 2. Now over here at 3 and 4th position I have DD, right? Second position I have A in this also and in this also. So here also I can put A, second position, correct? Now over here I can have B in the first position. So I have B over here, right? B is given over here also. Now I can find this much. I can find BADD, BADD. But now I have 2 blanks, right? I have 2 blanks. So both of these will be the same letter because both of them are at 5th position. So they will be the same letter. So I have A dash B dash. This is what I am filling. First position should be A. Third will be B. So over here I have A and C. So this is not the correct answer. D and B, so not correct. A and B, this can be correct, and over here D and C not correct. Now over here at these 2 positions I have C, right? So if I have C over here, I will put C over here also, right? So now is there a repeating series? Yes, it is repeating in BADDC, correct? This is what is being repeated. So answer will be ACBC, which is option number 3. Okay. Question number 6. Question number 6, we have to find the missing element in second pair. First, let us decode how the first pair is working, okay? First, let us decode how the first pair is working. So, canvas, CANVAS. This is coded as DCQZFY, right? This is coded as DCQZFY. So, let me give them forward ranks. C is 3, 1, 14. V is 22, 1, 19. This is 4, 3, 17. Then Z is 26, F is 6 and Y is 25. Correct? These are the codes. So 3 to 4 is plus 1. 1 to 3 is plus 2. 14 to 17 is plus 3. 22 to 26 is plus 4. 1 to 6 is plus 5. And 19 to 25 is plus 6. So, increasing order, right? Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. So, we will do the same thing for loner, right? So, loner will be LOANER. So, now I am giving them forward ranks. This is 12, this is 15, this is 1, this is 14, this is 5 and this is 18. So, if I go plus 1, I'll get 13th. If I go plus 2, I'll get 17. If I go plus 3, I will get 4. Plus 5 will bring me to 19. Plus 4 I have to do here, it will be 18. Plus 5 will bring me to 10 and plus 6 will bring me to 24. So if I give them letters, 13th rank. Which alphabet is at the 13th rank? M. 17th rank we have Q, then we have D, then we have R, then we have J, and at 24th rank we have X. So the missing term will be M, Q, D, R, J, X. This would be the missing term. This is given in which option? This is given in option number 3. So option number 3 would be the correct answer to this question. Okay? Option number 3 would be the answer. Now, over here, question number 7. Select the option that is related to the third letter cluster in the same way as the second letter cluster is related to the first letter cluster. So, again a question on analogy. This is pair number 1 and this is pair number 2. Right? Pair number 1 is govern and wrong. So I can see similar letters, right? I can see the same letters. So this is a concept of rearrangement, right? This is a concept of rearrangement. Now, if I look at rearrangement, we have to first decide how this is being rearranged, and then I have to do it for over here also. So this is govern, right? And this is written as VRONGE. So now let me give them forward rank. G is 7, this is 15, this is 22, this is 5, this is 18 and N is 14. Over here this is 22, this is 18, this is 15, 14, 7, 5. So clearly this is decreasing alphabetical order, right? Decreasing alphabetical order, correct? Decreasing alphabetical order. So we will do the same thing for mockery. If I give them forward ranks, 13, 15, C is 3, this is 11, 5, 18 and Y is 25. So if I have to write them in decreasing alphabetical order, it will be 25, then 18, then 15, then 13, then 11, then 5, then 3. So first will be Y, right? Then 18th will be R. Okay, 15th is O, M, 11th is K, then E and then C. So the next term will be YROMKEC, and this is given in which option? Option number 3. So option number 3 would be the correct answer to this question, right? Question number 8. Select the option that is related to the third letter cluster in the same way as the second letter cluster is related to the first letter cluster. So we have same letters, right? Similar letters. So this is a concept of rearrangement. Now let us check for this one. I am giving them forward ranks. So this is 20, E is 5, this is 13, P is 16 and O is 15. This has been arranged in this order. This is 20, then 16, then 15, then 13 and then 5, right? So this again is decreasing alphabetical order, right? Decreasing alphabetical order. So over here I will give them forward ranks. 4, 15, 12, P is 16, this is 8, this is 9 and N is 14. So I will arrange them in decreasing alphabetical order. So what would be the order? 16, then 15, then 14, then 12, then 9, then 8, then 4. Correct? So at 16th position we have P, O, N. Right? P, O, N. Then L. Then 9th position we have I. 8th position we have H, and then 4th position we have D. So this would be the arrangement P, O, N, L, I, H, D, and this is given in which option? Option number 3. So option number 3 would be the correct answer. Okay. Question number 9. Straw is coded as this. We have to find the code for north. Now STRAW is coded like this. S is 19, this is 20, this is 18. A is 1, W is 23. This is coded in 8, 7, 9, then 26 and then 4. So if you know, these are combination of opposite letters, right? S is the opposite letter of H. T is the opposite letter of G. R is the opposite letter of I. A is the opposite letter of Z and W is the opposite letter of D. Correct? So let me write the opposite letters. It is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So now let us find the word for north. So N opposite letter is M, right? O opposite letter is L. R opposite letter is I. T opposite letter is G. H opposite letter is S. So it will be MLIGS, which is option number 4. Okay, so option number 4 would be the correct answer to this question, right? So this concludes today's lecture. Thank you.